Hi guys, welcome back to another Dosen Ngoding best practice videos. Today I would like to share to you a feature called Flutter UI Guides. This feature on the Flutter give you something like this. Yeah, it will give you UI guides about your widget. So it give you more information about how long is your widget, which one of this widget is the child of another widget, and it give you a clear overview of information about the widget that you are working on. If you guys look at this code, yeah, right now, there is no UI guides showing the how long is the child of the tab bar. Yeah. For example, here on the tabs, it only show the nothing. Yeah, it show nothing, no UI guides. So this feature, the Flutter UI guides will help you uh, will very helpful, yeah, for beginners, I think, to help learn the code easier. And this feature available since version 3.1 on the dark code on the Visual Studio Code, yeah. If you have installed a version above than 3.1, so you can use this feature. But unfortunately, this feature is not automatically enabled, so you will have to enable it manually on the VS Code setting. So let me show you where is the VS Code setting. Here I'm on the Mac OS, so I can use the shortcut Command and Comma. But depend on your operating system, you can find another shortcut suitable for your OS, or you can use this menu code in the Mac and then setting, preference setting. So in another OS, Windows or Linux, I think it's the same. Yeah, you should go to the preference and go to settings. Here on the settings, you can go to Flutter and experimental. Yeah, put this query here on Flutter experimental and then tick this checkbox. Yeah, after you ticking this checkbox, it will be enabled. But yeah, this is not updated automatically. Yeah, like instantly available. So you should save and then close the editor first, then open it again. Usually it will be appear. Yeah. Give it some times and it will be shown. Depend on the speed of your laptop and or your computer, it will show after the restart. Usually, if not after you change the configuration and it not showing immediately, you should restart your VS Code and then you will have this beautiful UI guides showing how long is the widget and which one is the children and which one is the end of the how many child of this tab per view widget you can see here. Yeah, it's like a nice add-on to the code instead of just plain text and no UI guides like this. Yeah, but it depends on you. But I think this help for people that just try Flutter recently. Will be very helpful. Okay, that's it. My best practice video for today. See you guys in the another best practice videos.